Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share your location with someone on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To do it, go to Google Maps. Then you can click on your profile icon in top right corner, location sharing, share location, allow. And now you can choose who do you want to share your location with. And you can select the time. You can set it to 15 minutes, 30, 45, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way up to 1 day. Or if you want to, you can also set it to until you turn this off. Then you can send it to anyone and click on share and it will be sent. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.